A fountain stands in a courtyard outside a modern-style brick building.
Welcome to Woodworth Complex, home of the nursing and health professions living learning communities.
An etched sign hangs over the building's entrance, Woodworth.
Woodworth Complex was established in 1956 and has undergone several renovations over the years.
A student exits the building and cuts across the grass.
This four-story complex is not air-conditioned, is co-ed, and can house around 600 students.
A sign, Woodworth Complex, 160.
The building is comprised of 4 individual halls: Brady, Wood, Crosley, and Rogers.
Tables and chairs fill an expansive dining area.
Woodworth Complex is unique because it's the only residence hall on Ball State's campus with a full-service dining hall on the first floor.
A student sits in an armchair and eats while a television plays on a wall beside him.
It is a convenient spot where students can enjoy delicious meals without leaving the building.
Canopied tables fill an outdoor dining area.
The exterior of Woodworth includes picnic tables and a fountain, with plenty of green space for yard games and outdoor social gatherings. Bike racks are also conveniently located outside of both sides of the building for students to be able to secure their bikes while not in use.
A student works behind a reception desk.
Located inside the building, near the complex's main entrance, is the hall's front desk. This is the central hub for resources and information for residents of the building. Here, students can ask questions, check out cooking equipment to use in the hall's kitchenettes, borrow cleaning supplies, ask about hall and campus resources, receive their packages, and connect with their hall staff.
A sign, Woodworth Commons Food Court.
On the first floor of Woodworth is a dining hall open to all Ball State students and guests. Woodworth is the only on-campus residence hall with a full-service dining facility. Woodworth Dining is the place to go for custom ramen and poke bowls, fresh sushi, hearty Italian entrees, colorful spinning salads, and so much more.
Students wait in line beside shelves filled with food items that include cereal bars and chips.
Whether you're looking for a quick bite between classes or want to have a meal with friends, Woodworth Dining offers a diverse menu, comfortable atmosphere, and convenient location.
A student selects condiments at a bagging station.
Students living in Woodworth can access their mailboxes on the first floor of the building.
Locked mailboxes cover a wall.
When a student has officially moved into their residence hall, they will receive a designated mailbox and key, which allows them to receive paper mail and packages directly to their residence hall. Students can find all details regarding mail in the halls, including their hall address, by visiting the front desk.
A stuffed dog sits on a lofted dorm room bed.
Rooms in Woodworth have been specifically designed to enhance the on-campus living experience. Inside a standard double room, students can expect to find 2 stackable beds, 2 desks, each with a chair, and 2 dressers. The furniture in these rooms are easy to move, making it perfect for residents to arrange, decorate, and design to their wants and needs.
A mirror hangs inside a wardrobe door.
Standard double rooms also have 2 wardrobes, one for each student. Wi-Fi is provided throughout the building. Once students arrive on campus, they will learn more about how to connect their devices to Ball State's protected network. Each student living in the halls can either rent a mini fridge microwave combo for their rooms, or they can bring their own. Specifics regarding mini fridge and microwave regulations can be found on the Ball State Housing website.
A stuffed dog wears a Ball State bandana.
Rooms also come with a trash and recycling can, and a designated trash room can be found on each floor. Additionally, each floor has a designated custodian who helps keep the communal space of the floor clean and removes the trash from the trash room daily.
A bathroom contains a row of stalls and sinks.
Throughout the residential floors are communal-styled bathrooms. Each floor has a designated bathroom for residents with a mirror sink area and individual toilet stalls and showers. Only Woodworth residents can access the bathrooms through their secured ID card access. These spaces are also cleaned regularly by the floor's custodian, but students are encouraged to practice good hygiene and keep the shared space clean.
Individual showers stand next to each other in the bathroom.
On the first floor of the building, residents have access to a low-cost laundry facility that is equipped with multiple washing machines and dryers. This space is open to residents 24 hours a day and is ID card accessible, meaning only residents of the hall can access the space. Residents living in Woodworth Hall can pay for their laundry with coins or by downloading the mobile app Speed Queen onto their smartphones. The Speed Queen app allows residents to pay for laundry using a digital payment option. The Speed Queen app also allows students to see when machines are available, as well as receive a notification when their laundry cycle is complete. Woodworth has an in-hall workout and fitness space available to residents. By swiping their Ball State ID card, students gain access to treadmills, ellipticals, free weights, yoga balls, and more. On multiple floors throughout Woodworth are kitchenettes stocked with a full-size refrigerator, an oven-stove combo, a microwave, sink, and cabinets. Students are welcome to utilize the appliances and can even check out items such as pots, pans, measuring cups, utensils, and more from the front desk of their hall.
A screen hangs on a wall in a room that's filled with couches and chairs.
If you're looking for a space to unwind and hang out with friends, Woodworth has a dedicated movie room inside the hall for its residents to use. This space is available to reserve and open from 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. every day. This space includes a large TV, a DVD player, and plenty of lounge space. If you are searching for an escape from your textbooks, Woodworth has plenty of lounge space available for residents to unwind and socialize. Complete with plush couches, the lounge area is the perfect place to catch up with friends or unwind with a game of pool. Located in the lounge area is a gaming space. Included in this room is a 32-inch TV, a Nintendo Switch with 15-plus Switch games for the students to use in this space, over 20 board and card game options, an air hockey and foosball table. Tucked within the walls of Woodworth hides a music practice room available for all residents to use. This room provides access to a piano, music stands, and a creative environment to flourish. Woodworth is home to the nursing and health professions living learning communities. Students majoring in nursing, dietetics, medical technology, and more call this hall home. The Living Learning Community's dedicated makerspace, conveniently located near the front desk on the first floor, serves as an educational hub for students.
A stethoscope hangs on a skeleton.
Stocked with a plethora of resources tailored to their fields of study, including anatomical models and informative books, this space provides a rich environment for hands-on learning. Secure lockers within the makerspace stores specialized materials, enabling students to delve deeper into the intricacies of various body systems.
The view returns to the outside space.
Woodworth Complex is more than just a place to live. It's a vibrant community where lifelong friendships are formed and unforgettable experiences are made.
A logo: Ball State University, Housing and Resident Life. Text: see more of our on-campus community by following us on social media.
To learn more details about the Woodworth Complex and its resources, visit our website at bsu.edu/housing.